RuntimeHQ is an operational state control plane built for companies having multiple customer or vendor-facing applications. It solves the problem of distributing your operational state consistently to multiple applications. Most companies have pretty robust monitoring and observability platforms, but when an incident is detected and impact is known, the incident commander has to call different application owners to propagate the operational state. And some teams use feature flags, some use headless CMS, some use CI/CD variables, and this entire flow is fragmented. That is exactly what Runtime HQ solves. Once you decide an operational state for your applications, you declare it once, and Runtime HQ becomes responsible to distribute the operational state consistently to all your applications. Applications receive the state and decide how to respond. It is purpose-built for operations, not another feature flag platform. Here is a quick demo. As a company, I own two applications. One is a customer-facing travel application, and another one is our support dashboard. So I have created demo applications here. This is a customer-facing app, and this one is support-facing. Now, let's take an example that our AI assistant capability is facing performance issues. To declare that state, raise a new incident, and then the state is degraded. I could also choose outage. I'll show it later. Right now it's degraded. And then our travel application is impacted. Its AI agent capability is impacted, and also on the support dashboard, the AI agent capability is impacted. Now with this, we can also set an customer facing message. So this is the message that your customers will see when they use the capability. And then I can declare the incident. Now this incident is created, and it shows what capabilities are impacted and the customer message. Likewise, we can also schedule a maintenance window in advance to set the maintenance state. Now you see the state of this incident is degraded and these capabilities are degraded. Now let's see how the customer app behaves to the state change. Now when I want to use this AI assistant, I can see the same message, and then your customers are now aware that AI agents are performing slowly, right? So when they do something, they expect a delay in the response. The same state is also propagated to our support dashboard, and here also the AI assistant or the agent copilot shows the same degraded state. Now let's go one level further. Now let's say after some time there is a complete outage, and then I would also want to update the customer message. Now you see the apps, they behave differently as per the capability state. So now the customer app is no longer showing the AI agent because it has complete outage. Even if we show it, nobody would be able to use it. So the application team has decided to completely hide the AI agent during outage. But the support portal here, if agents are trying to use the AI, now the input is disabled, the copilot is offline. So depending on how you want your apps to behave, this can be tuned in. And all of this is happening without any redeployment or touching the application itself. Now, when the incident is resolved, capabilities will be back to normal. Now you see the agent is operational again, it all happening without any redeployment. Likewise, it can be also used for search capabilities, payment capabilities, etc. And the applications can behave differently to the different state.